Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix message unavailable in Instagram. Does your iPhone says message unavailable when you try to send a message? Don't worry. First, check your internet connection. Message won't load without Wi-Fi or mobile data. For that, go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected with good Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the internet is weak, message can shows as unavailable. After that, you can also restart your iPhone. This fix small system bugs. For that, hold your power button, slide to off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn your phone back on. A older software can cause massive problem. For that, go to the setting, tap on general, then tap on software update. If any update is available, install it. Updates fix bugs that cause message error. After these steps, your message should work again. If this helped, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.